Welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to see how you can install an Android app on BlueStacks. So let's begin. To start with, we're going to download the Android app we're going to install on BlueStacks. So I'm downloading a keyword. So come here, click on it, click download. So it's now officially downloading now. Okay, now the download is now complete. The download is now complete. Over to BlueStacks. To install it. So this is BlueStacks now. So come here, right hand corner of the BlueStacks dashboard, you click here. You see APK here. Look for the download folder. This is the app we just downloaded just now. You click on it. Click open. So you can see the indication now. Installing app. So wait for the installation to be complete. As you can see, the app is now installed. So you click on it. So that's how you can install an Android app on your BlueStacks software on your PC. So thank you so much for watching. Until the next video.